Hello traders, this is a continuation of part 4 of the Greezly Bot Pro discussion. The profit that has been obtained is around $367.82. I use this expert advisor with default settings. This expert advisor can be set in Martingale and without Martingale. If the parameter is set 1, then it will run with Martingale, and if it is set 2, then it will run without the Martingale system. Multiples of 1.4 lots if in the Martingale setting. The current total balance is $1367.82 USD. For more details, I will switch to myfxbook account. My trading starts from February 26, 2023, and as of April 26, the profit is 36.78%. You can see here the resulting drawdown is very large at 80.46% with default settings. So if you want to use the Greezly Expert Advisor, please run it on a demo account first and find safer settings. With the default setting, the profit you get every month is around 17.05%, with a daily estimate of 0.52%. Advanced statistics. Out of a total of 403 transactions, the profit ratio is 72%. This is the result of trading using the Euro-US pair. Trading runs continuously for 24 hours using this expert advisor. The average trading duration can be up to 11 hours more, with a profit factor of 1.44. Monthly analytics. You can see here the profit every month from February to now in April. I have shared this expert advisor for free on the e-higtrade.com website. For reference, I will see the results of Forex trading using Greezly Bot Pro from developer Greezly on Level 5. The drawdown that you get here is not too big at 25.5%. It looks like this doesn't use the Martingale system, so that the resulting drawdown does not harm equity. Growth information. This is the result of a trading report from 2021 to now April 2023. In using expert advisors, always make sure to understand the strategies and features used to maximize profits and avoid losses. And don't forget to continue to monitor and optimize the use of expert advisors to get better results in Forex trading. Okay, this is part 4 of the Greezly Bot Pro discussion. Thanks for watching till the end.